Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can use the repeat option in Photoshop. So let's get started. So not many people or so many people don't know that there is a repeat option in Photoshop. Usually people use this option in Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW, but this option also exists in Photoshop. So for that, first of all, I will draw a shape using ellipse tool. So let's say I will draw this. So I'm going to draw a petal, or I'm going to try to draw a petal. So using the curvature pen tool, I will convert this into a petal like shape. So this is my basic shape that I'm going to use now. Now I'm going to use the repeat option on this subject or on this object. For that, we need to first turn on the center of rotation or the axis of rotation. If you're not able to see this option over here, so you can simply press Ctrl T or Command T and you will get this option over here in the control panel. So if you turn this off, then you won't get the center of rotation or axis of rotation option, and if you turn this option on, you can simply choose the center of rotation wherever you want. So right now I want this at the bottom center. Now using the shift button, I will press and hold shift and I will rotate this slightly, press enter. Now I'm going to press, now remember this command, if you are using PC then control plus shift plus alt plus T, and if you are using Mac then command plus shift plus option plus T. This is the shortcut key, or these are the keys that you need to use to use the repeat option. So the layers panel is over here. Now I will press Ctrl Shift Alt and T, so it will repeat the step that we have just created. Now after creating this, I will select all the layers and I will decrease the opacity. So this looks good to me, and I will press Ctrl G or simply create group from here. So this is the group. Let's say I will say flower 1. Now I can simply press and hold Alt key and left click to copy this like this. Now I can change the color from here. So let's see if I want black color. So this is how it will look, black. And let's say if I want another copy, then again Alt and let's say I want white color. You can choose different color combinations. I'm just giving you an example. Now I will select all the groups and I will align them using these alignment options. So this is how we can use the repeat option to create some really cool floral shapes. Now if you want to change the color of, let's say, again I will create a group for this one also, so that we won't get confused between so many layers. I will change the color, let's say of this one, yes, this one. So let's see, I want blue color. So this is how it will look. And similarly you can copy as many shapes that you want, and you can use this in the background to decorate your designs, or you can use it any way that you want. Again, if you want to change the color, simply go here, say if I want green color. So this is how we can use the repeat option in Photoshop to create these really cool floral shapes. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.